Out of here, out of space. Pussy all in my face. Money down for my case. I can't lie, life's great. I can't lie, life's great. Yeah, you know this shit been good. Yeah, you know I'm from the hood. But I made it out the hood. But I made it out the woods. Counting on dough every day as I should. Counting on money every day as I should. Fucking on hoes every day as I should. I'm a big boss, yeah, I feel like shit. Don't care about the cost, I'ma make the bitch run. After that, make the bitch right on deck. My nigga walked in, had a heart attack. I can't lie, life's great. 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 Shoot at it, shoot at that bitch, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at that cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup, shoot at that bitch, shoot at this cup. Out of here, out of space, pussy all in my face.
What's good, YouTube? As you guys can see, we're in the car right now, letting the car warm up. We're gonna go check out this Hellcat that I seen that's on the lot. It's a pretty nice Hellcat, so we're gonna go drive there right now and see what's up with the car. I was in Orlando this weekend. I was gonna go to a car meet that they had in Orlando this weekend, but I had change of plans, so I didn't really get to do anything. That's why I haven't really uploaded recently. So sorry for that, but I'm gonna be making this video right now. It wouldn't be a normal video if I wasn't almost on empty. So, you know, every video I have to get gas. Pulling up right there, we got a nice blue Hellcat, a silver Hellcat. This is a really nice Dodge dealership. So both these Hellcats are already someone's cars. You see the license plates are already on it. But that blue right there is like one of my favorite colors on the Hellcats. Is there any red eyes on that side?
I think we actually do on the showroom, but again, like I said, you just gotta go inside. Most of the guys that we have, I think we've got one or two.
Got a little scatty here.
This is super sick. So this is the latest super beast scat. You'll notice obviously the accents with the shaker hood, wide body kit. I don't know what the other side is on the side. Steer emblem in the back, like the scat pack in the back. It's gonna be the light gray, so you're not gonna have the color emblem on it.
So look at the inside.
Definitely get a video of that. Obviously it's not a cat, but
yeah, ain't a cat, but they still move.
You know what I mean? It's still gonna do just as much. You're gonna have a little more fun with it, and this ain't.
All right, so we just checked out the Hellcat that they had in here. We just went across the street to that building. Apparently they had 2 Hellcats in there, some really nice ones, but they did sell, so we didn't really get to check out that one. But this one in here was a jailbreak version. It had the peanut butter seats. I didn't take out the camera to show you guys, but the peanut butter seats are really nice. We're gonna check out this red C8 now. I don't know how I really feel about these C8s, especially when they're stocked like this. They definitely have a lot of scat packs on this lot. Like, there's scat packs everywhere on this lot. Let's take a look inside this thing. Yeah, this is not a tall person car.
I told you, bro. That's what I mean. They're sick to look at, like on the outside, but trying to get in and out of it is crazy.
I can barely see this
Obviously,
thing.
you'd think it'd be a little bit more comfortable, and then most of your controls are in your center console right there. So, screens there, air vents here. This is for your displays and then your parking.
I lied. I did sit in one of these before. I used to clean cars for a living.
Yeah.
We did like high-end cars and stuff. Like I used to do a C8 and it was not comfortable. I forgot.
I mean, it's honestly kind of sick. You can start it if you want. Go ahead, put your foot on the brake and then start, bud.
Where's the stop button? Oh wow. It don't sound bad, so. It don't sound bad, so.
Dude, it's a great car. It's just, you know what I mean? The only difference that I think Corvette kind of dropped the ball on with this is interior comfort. I think the design is kind of a little lax. Obviously, we go up in model, but...
All right, here's the supercharger. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. They got music going in here right now. So let's go in here real quick. Got the peanut butter guts in here. So man, I should definitely invest in a Hellcat, man. Especially since they're stopped making them now. Let me zoom out here so you can see it. Yeah, these Hellcats, man. I just need a supercharger wine in my life. That's what I need. This is the jailbreak option car, so it definitely has all the different options, especially for the customer, especially what they want. Flat bottom steering wheel, peanut butter guts, the back seat. Yeah, too bad this is inside, or else we would have started this thing up. But if you guys are in Venice or South Florida, hit up my boy Tommy. I'll show his business card at the end of this video or after this, but he's here at the Dodge dealership. So if you're looking for a car you want to Dodge, hit him up. Man, that Hellcat, something different, but once again, we got another Shelby GT500 here. I do not know if this is the same one as we saw in the other video. No, I do not think this is. No, it's not. Because the other one had the carbon fiber wheels, and this one does not. But once again, it is a Shelby GT500, so let me get back here. Yeah, that thing's nice. Shelby GT500 or Hellcat, yo? Nah, that's not even a question. Shelby GT500 all day. This is a 2020. Take a look at the back though. But yeah, y'all, should I drop the GT, get a Hellcat? Maybe. Got the Hellcat parked up next to the 5.0. These things would look good together if I had a Hellcat to the collection, yeah. Man, one day, hopefully soon. But yeah, y'all, if y'all looking for any kind of Dodge car, anything Douglas in Venice, Florida, this is my boy right here. Go hit him up if you are looking for a car here at Dodge dealership. It is hot as hell out here, yo, so let's turn the AC on and get out of here. Yo, I'm sweating bricks right now. It's only 92 degrees. Florida, man. Look at that badge on that Scat. Man, they get really creative. That's awesome. All right, y'all, I just got done at the gym, so if I look sweaty, that's why. But we need to park here and talk about a few things. All right, so we need to talk about the future because those Hellcats were really nice, GT500 nice. I made a video about the GT500 at the other dealership, but that GT500 sold. So I also want you guys to tell me if you think I should pro charge this thing, turbo it, supercharge it, or whatever. This is how the car is sitting, aesthetic mods, like exterior mods and whatever. But I want to make some, performance mods to this thing, make it a little bit faster. We already have a cold air intake, tune, long tip headers, cat back, cold air intake. I think I said that already. But yeah, that's all we really have for this car. What car in today's video did you guys like the best? We had the Hellcats, the C8, Corvette, the other Corvette. There's some scat packs in there. There's actually a nice Jeep in there. I don't know if I got it on camera or not. It was teal. A lot of Hemis, scat packs, whatever. Tell me what car you like the best out of all those. Do you guys think we should keep this? Just keep on building this, since my name is It's Adam 5.0. So it would be tough if I had to change that name to It's Adam 6.2, for the Hellcat or whatever, or GT500. But tell me what you guys think. Hellcats, GT500, or just keep this and pro charge, supercharge it, do whatever. This car is like iconic though, because it is the car that kind of made this channel, even though I had the other cars. But this is the car that really did it for me. Really started making my videos pop off and everything on TikTok as well. We're at 30K on TikTok. So if you guys don't already follow the TikTok, and also the Instagrams in the bio. Personally, my favorite car at that dealership was the maroon Jailbreak in the showroom, because that thing is just, with the brass monkey wheels and everything, you just really can't beat it. And it was $80,000, and they're not making Hellcats anymore, so the value in them are only going to go up. So let me know in the comments right now which car you like the best and what I should do, or if I should just keep this car. If you aren't already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're updated when I post a video. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me as well. Let's get this video to 100 likes. That's the goal. Before we end this video off, I think it's only right if I give you guys a proper warm start. So this is Corsa Extreme with long tube headers. Warm start. But that's gonna do it for today's video. So subscribe, like the video, comment what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.